What is the difference between a job and a task? A job describes the entire scope of work, whilst a task refers to a specific portion of the job. A simple job such as replacing a tap washer may only require a single visit. Therefore, a job with only one task is created. Larger jobs, such as a loft conversion, may require multiple site visits. Therefore, the job will contain several tasks. Big commercial projects can contain several jobs, each with one or many tasks. The task contains the details of the specific visit. The job acts as the filing cabinet for all the tasks. The client's details and the property details. Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Join us for a free 30-day trial.